I gotta tell y'all, I love all of it. I love the frenzy, I love the activity, I love the food, I love the people having a good time. Look at this. Hey, what up, y'all? Welcome to the morning after, y'all. It's a parade going on here. I told y'all one of the best ways you can get to know what people is going to the celebrations, y'all. And this is massive, man. It seems like the whole city turned out for this, the celebration of 100 years of Manta being a city.
We were just out here yesterday, and like yesterday it was concerts. These nights have been full of concerts.
But it's just nice to be out here feeling the vibe, y'all. This is all right.
All of these events are going through to the weekend, so seeing the parade here, I believe there's more concerts tomorrow. There's a symphonic orchestra at one point, so it's really cool. Some of the cities of Ecuador have their own flags, but we see this flag flying around in Manta as well, and it's like this baby blue colored flag with white cross in the middle, essentially like a white band going down the middle, from top to bottom, from left to right, with a crest in the middle. So it's really cool just seeing that pride here on the coast of Manta.
The street food scene out here is insane. Vendors lined all up and down the blocks, and it all smells good. And you know we have to run that pollo, bro. Por favor, man. Sí, pollo. Oh, yeah. Pechuga? Sí, yeah. Pechuga? Sí. It's not all that, man. But I got some pickled onion. Boy, we smelled this way before we got to it. This is all that.
We couldn't do it. We couldn't not get something to eat here.
Needs some mustard, but it's good. It's good.
It's good.
Life abroad.
In our opinion, buying street food, chicken is safer than pork.
Oh, for sure.
Chicken is safer than pork.
And again, you want stuff that you see other people buying.
Yep.
You want that person that's running out because he's been selling it like hotcakes. You know what I mean? I trusted my man, no problem. No problem. Watched him for a minute before I bought it. So while we devour our little sandwich, y'all, what parades did y'all go to? Like, I'm from Detroit, man. The major parade there for us, I think, was Thanksgiving parade. It's the only one I've ever been to. They had a couple of other ones too, but the major was that Thanksgiving parade.
Look, you guys, I'm from Tampa, Florida, so we had Gasparilla, which was like, I don't even know where it came from, but if you want to know what it's like a smaller version of Mardi Gras. It's something that was like super family friendly. Every year, I think around February, attending the Gasparilla parade.
Yeah, so that's the Jewish University of Israel. It's a beautiful representation here, you guys. This is truly one of the most diverse city, if not the most diverse city I've ever seen. People are not tolerated here. People are celebrated. The different ethnicities, the different religions, celebrated.
Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and make sure those notification bells are turned on. You don't want to miss what's going down in Manta. politicians out here. It's a huge family affair, so I'm glad we got the chance to catch it and to participate and just kind of be with the people as they enjoy the festivities of Manta's 100 years.
Look, a couple of little rules for when you out in large crowds abroad, man. Any kind of parade you go to, keep your eyes open and your wallet in your front pocket. Rules of the game.
Bring some food and snacks, or at least prepare to buy some, because it's easy to get dehydrated out here, but you don't want to be starving or give up your spot to go get some food, so just come packing.
We going out to gig tonight? If you don't know, you young fellas, young people, take your Tylenol before you go out, you know what I'm saying, to get warmed up. Take your Tylenol and a large glass of water before you go to sleep, and you'll be okay in the morning. Hey, what's up, y'all? Hope y'all are having a good evening. We are, but we have a little dilemma. There are some free concerts downtown jumping off around 9:30, 10 o'clock, but we hanging out with the bros. It's about 6:30, 6 o'clock right now, so we have to find a way to kind of moonwalk out the door to get to this other gig. So, you know, pray for us, hang with us, let's go. Just had a wonderful time with the Melanated Collective out here in Manta. Now we're going to go kick it with the people down in the people's area. We're looking forward to that too, so come along folks, let's gig.
We are at a free concert in Manta right now. This is going down at Playa Murcielago. You guys, it's all for the 100-year Centenario. Free concerts almost every night of this week. It is packed down here with vendors and people. And did I mention the free concerts?
Yo, the crowd is going crazy over this cat that's singing. I don't know who it is, but it's just nice to be out here feeling the vibe, y'all. This is all right. Con su corazón. Que me lea lo profundo como de tu piel.
Aside from the nightlife in Manta, it's also a season where turtles are hatching. So they've set up a protective area for the turtles who are hatching and are trying to make sure they can just make it to the sea successfully. So there is a little group behind me and they are guiding this little baby turtle like step at a time to lead him to the ocean. So it's just really cool that they have this set up here and they're protecting the marine life in the area. Get a beer? Get a little room closed.
En español. Hamburguesa. Caneiro que. Aprovecha.
Just to recap, y'all.
We are in Manta.
We in Manta and happy for it, man. Really excited to be here.
And excited to be here at the right time. They're celebrating 100 years, y'all. 100 years.
So parties everywhere jumping off. We took you guys down to the docks. You know what I'm saying? We walked the strip, kind of showed you the strip, took you out to a party, showed you where the black expats get down at. We are excited for what we're gonna find out, what we're gonna get into here. I'm also excited to get some of this food in my belly. Get in my belly.
You know the rules.
Gonna eat safe, looking for something that's fresh. I see a brother cracking some eggs on the grill right now. I'm hungry and I'm gonna feed the need. Look, thank y'all for hanging out with the Yarbros. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button.
Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. And a huge thank you to our Patreons. Well, to our patrons on Patreons and our patrons who buy us coffee. We really appreciate you guys and we thank you guys for your support. So thanks again for watching our video and for joining our Manta series. We're getting into some things, y'all. So make sure you have those notification bells turned on and we'll see you next time.
Peace and love, y'all.
Adios.